Get ready. 3, 2, 1.
Of like balls inside because like one of them has accessories for one doll, and then the biggest one is the bath bomb. It's inside here.
It's the doll.
Yeah, and this is for my birthday, June 23. Please celebrate, but it's already passed,
So
it's okay.
Okay.
Start. So let's start from this. So there's a zipper. Wait. Oh, that sounds like satisfying. That sounds satisfying, though.
Yeah.
I shouldn't have did fully.
A little fixer first.
Oh well. I'll just rip it. Yay. Hi! Unbox me. I'm gonna open one of these.
Oh, this is the big bath bomb. I'm gonna open this one, the light one.
How do you open one of these?
There's the little zipper on it, see?
Where?
You have to look for it.
Oh, here it is.
They're also doing...
I hear the toy.
Oh, actually, only this is the bath bomb.
There's only one bath bomb.
It's a bath bomb.
What?
No, it's clay.
I can't open it.
Oh my, get scissors.
Oh, I'm done.
It's clay, people.
Can't open it. How can you open yours?
Ew, it's sand. It's the shoes.
It's so cute. The shoes are so cute. It's more cuter than the other
shoes before.
Why do I get the horrible ones?
What is it?
It is what is it?
Show it,
It's
Chelsea.
a tail.
Show it. Show
It's
it to
a
them.
tail. Wow. I have another.
Can I keep this one too?
No.
Look at that. It's more kinetic sand. Let's break it.
What in the world? That's not a tail. What is this?
It's a shirt.
What? Oh, I'm getting this one. Wait, where do we
Look at
put
that,
the
it's a
kinetic
shirt.
sand? Then this one?
No, we should put the kinetic sand back inside its setting.
It is a jacket. It's a jacket.
No, it's
Yes, it is. It's a Roma.
So I'm gonna open this thingy.
Ah.
I have no idea. What?
It
What?
is. What is this? What is this? It's the baby shirt.
No, it's the prince. Show it.
It's
Come
a
on.
prince. Comment down below if it's a baby shirt or a prince.
Oh wait, no, this is cards. There's cards at the bottom.
There's cards at the bottom, guys.
Look at that, it's a heart.
No, it's not cards. It's a book.
Sit down. Oh look, there's a sticker. A free sticker for you.
Thank you.
Oh no, it's a pet and a person. Show them the sticker.
So it's these. So these are the ones gonna come out from the bath bomb. Can I hold my bath bomb, please?
I'm Caution.
Wait, what does it say?
Ow!
Sorry.
Oh,
Okay.
that hurt.
Let's put it here. So, like,
Okay, let's wait until it's done.
get ready.
3, 2, 1.
Yikes! We shouldn't have get a bigger bowl.
Oh, that feels good. Feel it up. Uh-oh.
No! It's exploding! It's a volcano! I love this! Squeeze it in there. In there. I feel some popping out.
Let's do the other side.
Woo! Soap! It's soap! Oh my god.
Smells like ocean water.
It smells like ocean.
I think it's gonna spill everywhere.
I didn't know that it would explode.
You hear that sound?
Yeah, it hears like Coca-Cola, like opening.
That's
Oh.
so amazing.
Oh no, it's dripping! Ah!
Oh no, it's dripping.
My pants again. It's my pants. It's on.
I can see it.
Where's it?
I mean, like you could see it a bit.
I'm waiting for the person. Hurry
Where
up.
is it?
Where's the person? Hurry up, bath bomb.
Can
I didn't know a bath bomb. No, don't. Come on, hurry up, bath bomb. I didn't know the bath bomb that takes so long. I don't know. This is my first time getting a bath bomb. That's why I didn't know.
It's popping up. It's plopping up. It's going up.
Okay, guys.
I think it's done.
This is the moment. Let's go.
We
now.
should lift it up.
Let's
We should put
go.
it in here.
Okay, I
No,
think
I
it's
think it's
ready.
done.
I think it's ready. It's ready. It's
3,
ready.
2, 1.
Okay.
Should we even know how?
Wait. 3, a 2, a 1.
It's plastic.
What?
Can I open one?
What? There's 3.
3. You open the ginormous one.
Yeah.
I know that's the person. I'll take the scissors. I don't want to use my hands.
Yeah, give me.
Is that its accessory? Or did I just find its bottle?
It's purple hair. It has. Look at that bottle. It has purple hair. Oh my goodness, it's wet. It's wet. The doll's hair is wet.
Oh no.
It's naked.
The other shoe is for
It's
you.
naked.
The other shoe
She
is
has
for you.
galaxy hair.
It's gorgeous.
Okay, let's put on her thing. Is this hers? Yeah, this might be hers. This is hers, I think. Is this hers? Is this
Of course
hers?
it's hers. I'll open this one.
Let's put her. It's hard to put on her clothes.
Her
Okay,
cat is exactly the same color.
What? It's so the same.
So cute!
Yeah.
I'll put on its
I
tail.
love this.
I'll put its tail on.
My next birthday, I want this again. Sorry about
Its
that.
head popped
Wait,
off.
there's 2 clothes? Or this one's for the dog?
It's for the cat. Not a dog. It's a cat.
Okay, where's that? This is the shoes. Shoes.
What is it?
Shoes. Shoes.
This is supposed to be its clothes, you know.
Wait. Then what's this one for?
Extra if it gets lost. But this is its clothes for real. How in the world did you put on this one?
I know.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I get it.
One. I didn't know this. Okay, let's try and change her color. I hope it works.
That white line!
What's your turn?
That white line!
Yeah, what? It's turn. What's your turn?
Remember, that wasn't there.
No, that was there.
No!
There was. You didn't saw?
Wait.
You don't remember? Please comment if there was or there wasn't.
I'll just take one ice and then just put it all over. Let's see.
There's a W on the kitty's chest. Oh, I can't believe this. Okay, guys, it just happened. It just happened. It just happened, guys. It just happened. Look, this W on his. Where's it?
Whoa!
It's gone now again.
Oh!
We need to go back. We needed to go back.
It will not work in the water, but when I touch the ice, look. Only if I touch the ice, it changes color.
Guys, this is so weird. Guys. So cool. Whenever it touches the ice, it comes out. Look. This one, it has a double. It's gonna warm up. Something, there's stars coming out of its legs.
What, stars?
Yes.
It took off its... No. It just moves here. Show them.
Let me just put it on the eyes. It happened. Hey guys.
So every time we keep putting on the ice, look, it keeps changing color.
There's no more on.
But the ice is disappearing,
We need to like this.
so the more we take off the ice, the more it's gonna look. Even if it's in the water, it's not gonna show.
It's so cold water that won't even show.
Really too cold.
Let's see if it will change back when it's hot. Should we? Oh no, it's too.
So, you should go get the LOL Surprise, which is the big orange pack. Then you'll see
Aww.
this with this
Read it.
inside. These two are inside.
Read this. Baby goo goo. Look, you read it. Can you read it? Can you read it? You can see. It says baby goo goo. Look, and it even has this to measure. And it has water right now. No! It can be straight or just like dots. Just like dots. Like jerks. Or straight. Straight. Straight jerks. There's no more. Let's put that in there with her. She's gonna sleep with some water. Wait, this is her pajamas. No, this is her pajamas.
Wait, let's just say
I forgot. We forgot.
That's all for today. Hope you like this video.